Okay? Go back only with your feet. Doesn't matter which one. That's it. Fix the posture. You are here. If you want, you can go back like this. Or you can come back here. But don't continue to do this.
Okay, so can you show like that?
No, that's what I said not to do. And this is it. So watch, don't move. Okay? You grab me. That's it. If you make any move, your body is going to toss. So totally lock the upper body and pull me back with your feet. No, don't turn. See, watch. Locked, pull me back here. Otherwise, you're going to make these kind of moves. You guys saw, right? So now because you lock, you cannot do anything. The power has to come from here. Otherwise, you'd be bending. Go. Very good. So now I'll show you the combination. So do exactly the same. At this point here, she stopped. But I have a little bit of a momentum because she pulled me. I go like this here. As I do this here, don't move anything. Same thing. Use the front knee and the foot. Walk forward. So now pull me. I go like this, forward. This is the move. Both moves come from the bottom. The top is totally locked. That's it. That's it. Kick. Okay. Yeah. Go again. No, don't, too much power. No, stay there. Okay. Don't move. Okay. Watch again. And she did all of that. I was able to buffer all of that. And now I'm here. Don't move. Don't move. Sit backward on your rear foot, the rear hip. Yeah. Sit like this.
Okay.
And now lightly go like this. Can you see you need to kick my knee? Yeah. Okay. No. Do not touch my knee with your toes.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Use the heel, tap it. Too high, it's not on my knee. No, toes back.
Okay.
Toes back, so the heel touches a little bit. See here, watch. It's a very small move, okay? The key here is when you are here, watch my upper body. Do not do this, do not do this. Can you see? Because it's cartilages, right? If you are in the right position, that's it. Too big, just this much. Too low. Because I'm a short person, can you see it's here? Yeah, the problem is you're too tall. When you're tall, you're like this. If it's like this, can you see you use the heel? Okay, go.
And here.
Don't move. Go back. Yeah, stay there. So if you're here, it doesn't matter, okay? You are here, go here first. Land. In the middle.
In the middle, okay.
And lock here. And now here. This way. Okay. Turn. No.
Oh.
Here first. Okay. Stay there, don't move. Can you get me a stick? No, that's it. Now, can you turn around? We change position. We'll come back here. Turn around here. Like okay. Can you see this? It has to be straight. And this has to be, no, shoulder here. That's it. Okay. Now, can I have somebody here hold it? And put your foot here to lock it. That's it. Hold that here. Now, this is your axis, and turn on it. Yeah. It's difficult, right?
Yes.
So you should go home and practice this. So watch, over here, we all move like this. And when you remember the move we did this morning? Yeah. Go in there. The idea I did not tell you, I just wanted you to train. It's very important when you are on your opponent's body, when you make a move, you do not touch him or her. So now in this position, you are always fighting it. It has to be, can you see this stretch here? Can you see? You are here without movement. And yeah, you try it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now you know how to train that move. It means only when the center is independent, it's not affected, you're not walking into it, you actually rotate. Otherwise, you're blocking the center. Okay, stop. Come back here. Face me now. No, that's it. Face me now here. You're here. Come here. Okay, yeah, that's where you should be, but we were doing it for the camera.
Right.
Now step up.
Now step up.
Yeah.
Using that axis.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see the that axis moved?
Yeah.
So you understand?
Yes,
See,
I
watch
do.
me here. Yeah, watch me here. Here, you want like this. Can you see? It does not move. Go. Doesn't matter. Just a step up. No. When you do this, hand up.
Oh.
That's it. Stop. Stop. That's it.
Okay.